Oh, Sam says, whoa, I think this is open.
Turn on the lights.
Getting ready to let the budgies come out
Turn on the lights.
and have some free flight time for a little bit.
Yeah, that's cute.
Sonic's here with me. There he is. We're watching. Of course, he's used to free flying because he's a good boy. He gets lots of time out of the cage. But these guys, they're not quite sure what to think about having their cage door open. They're not sure if they want to fly out or what. Oh, Cosmo came out for just a second. He's like, my gosh, it is really open. Woo! Look at him go in and out. He doesn't know what to think. He had to test it out. He can hardly believe it. Let's see if he comes out again. Sam's thinking about it. He's hung on the brink of the doorway. He knows it's open. He's looking at it now like, do I dare?
So cute. It's so precious.
Sonic's here, cheering him on. He says, come on guys, you can do it, you can do it. They're all kind of chatting, consorting about what they should do.
Yeah. Now you say
Should I stay or should I go?
Do it for me.
Oh, Stella has realized it's open. Her and Sam are thinking about it, and there she goes. Woo, she's like, yes. Awesome. Oh, Sam says she's out. I guess that means I should come out and say hello too.
Hey, do it to me. With me. 2 points out this time. That's like hip away. Dad is like hip away. Hip away. Hip body.
Sam and Cosmo still don't know quite what to think. They've never had outside time from the cage. I know Stella had in the past before she came to us.